super exciting time, but I know it's overwhelmingly busy. So I came up with this idea. I would like to meet every one of our bride and grooms and help them plan their wedding. However, with your busyness and the nice spring weather that's upon us, I thought, how do we do this different? Let's do it Facebook Live. Let's do a Facebook Live wedding open house. Bring all of our partners in who can give you the best tips that they can share and answer your frequently asked questions. Our team of wedding experts are going to help plan your day to make it unforgettable. That's what we're all about. You know what? Come with me. I want to show you a quick sneak peek of what you could see when you're going to tour our shop. And come with me. Come with me. This is great. This is what you need to see. This is our limousine showroom where we host everything. You still with me? All right. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to give away prizes. Let's do $500 in limo credits. If you book your limo with us for your wedding day before May 1st. Spring, May, hopefully. And come in. Here's one of our limos. This is what we're doing. April 24th from 1 till 2:30 about. Jump in anytime. You can tell us if you're interested. Go to the description or click on the interested or going button and you'll be invited. You can jump in and learn all about it. If you can't be there the whole time, we understand. But we're going live, a wedding open house Facebook Live event, and we want you there. So will you join us for your chance to win $500 in limo credits with Brentwood? We're going to give away incentives, tips, all the planning things we can get, and have our partners jump in and help answer all your frequently asked questions. So hope to see you there, April 24th, 1 o'clock.